Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable spring ruffle deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have my wreath ring. I have this striped deco mesh, 30 feet. You can also use the smaller rolls of deco mesh purchased at Dollar Tree. And scissors. Alright, let's get started. Usually when I use the 30-foot roll of deco mesh, I only need one roll. But if you're going to use Dollar Tree deco mesh, then I normally use about 4 rolls. But again, it just depends on the size of your poofs and how poofy you would like for your wreath to be. Alright, I'm going to unravel my mesh. Place it on the inner ring. I'm going to tie it in a knot. Just like that. And then I'm going to bring my mesh through the first space to make a nice size poof. Again through the second space. And the third space. And try to make your loops as uniform as possible. If they're not 100% the same, that's okay. Just like that. And scrunch, twist your mesh a couple of times and come back to your starting point, making 3 more loops. Sometimes I do like to double my mesh, so I have 2 rows that I'm making the loops with, and then I can separate the loops at the end. And sometimes I like to just go with a single roll. This time I'm just going with a single roll. There we go. So I like to just go with 6 loops in each of my 6 sections. But you can, if you choose to do so, scrunch it one more time and have 9 loops in each of your 6 sections. It's completely up to you. But 6 usually makes a pretty decent size wreath. So once I have that section complete, I'm going to twist couple of times and come back and start over in my first space. And I'm just going to continue repeating this step all the way around the wreath. Alright, I am finishing up with my last row, and I have a little mesh left over. I'm going to just cut off the excess mesh, and I'm going to tie it in a knot. Cut away the excess. Then you can just tuck it away. Now I'm just going to fluff up all of my poofs. Again, if you use 2 rolls of mesh, then you'll be able to separate the 2 layers. I do that sometimes. I will link those videos in the description box down below. But this one looks so cute, precious, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the styles, add in any additional embellishments you'd like. Assign to the center, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. All items can be purchased at Dollar Tree, so you can make this entire wreath for less than $10.